Hey everyone, Codex here. Today what we're gonna do is take a look at Elrond's native token, Egld, just doing some technical analysis and taking a look at where the price could actually go over the next few weeks. So if that's something you are interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also, I just wanted to announce that we made a Patreon account where you will find a weekly risk metric dashboard, custom charts, tips on when to buy and sell. You will also be able to see my own crypto portfolio and what I personally buy and sell, and all of this for only €9 a month. So check it out if you're interested, of course. And without further ado, let's get into this one. Now, in the last Elrond video, we discussed how there is a high chance of us going back into our accumulation phase between 130 and 140 US dollars before going to the next resistance right here at 180 bucks. And although the first part of that prediction is right, since we came back into the accumulation phase again, I have to admit that I'm starting to doubt our chances of going higher and get anywhere near the zone. You all know that my prediction was that February was going to be mainly sideways and that March will be bearish and painful for bulls, and so far so good. February ended up being mainly sideways and it seems like March is starting to show what it might deliver next. Each day goes by, it seems more and more like there is more pain to come in the space, and it really seems like this move for Elrond is nothing but a trailer to what may happen this month and perhaps even in Q2 of this year. Now, if Elrond can't manage to hold this level right here and keep closing in it, then the next level to look out for will be this next high volume node at about 85 US dollars. The VPVR indicator shows that there was a lot of interest in the past from both buyers and sellers in the zone, which means that a drop from the current price will most likely take us there, as there aren't too many buyers in here to push us back up in case we drop, of course. And I know that this might seem a little bit off, since that would require another 35 or perhaps even 36% move to the upside, to the downside, I'm sorry. But you have to remember that we are in the cryptocurrency asset, we are in crypto, and everything is possible in here. 3 months ago, we were at 560 US dollars, and I remember for a fact that everybody was laughing at me and calling me a moron when I say that we are way too overextended and way too overvalued and that we need a correction. And to me, the bearish phase isn't over yet. Look, as long as our price is trending below the 200 moving average, for example, things are still rough, and what we are currently experiencing is basically a duplicate of what we had in here. Back in here, we dropped below our moving average after having an incredible rally. We had our first short-term capitulation phase for a while and then came back to our moving average where we had a spike above it. But this upside move didn't really last and it wasn't really sustainable, and the price dropped again. And the same happened in here a few weeks ago. Look how Elrond dropped super fast below the moving average, then came back in here where we had this spike which wasn't really sustainable, and the price dropped once again. If we take a look at the Phoenix Ascending indicator to understand the current momentum, we can see that the red RSI went again below the level of 50, triggering calls for a downward pressure. The blue LSMA is also still going down, and so is the green RSI. So we really still have a bearish momentum, and the only thing that will make me turn bullish again is the red RSI going up again and the blue LSMA following it. But that won't happen easily because of how low the blue LSMA is currently. The blue LSMA is currently pulling the red RSI towards it, which makes things even more bearish. In order for the blue LSMA to go up, we need to start building bullish momentum slowly, and that would require a lot of work from bulls as well as a lot of time. On the weekly time frame, it's even worse, to be completely honest. The red RSI is still going below the mid-yellow line, which means that bears still have control on the macro scale. So what we need right now is the red RSI to go again above the level of 50, like in here, also here, and here again, and at that time the upward pressure will get triggered. Look how every time the red RSI went above the mid-yellow line in the past, which is the level of 50, by the way, the yellow line is the level of 50, the price just started rallying, and that's what we need. But that will honestly take a lot of time, as I said, to happen because of how low our RSI and LSMA are. I'm not here to claim that the price will drop because I really don't know, but what I can say is that if this momentum continues as we move forward, then you should expect further corrections along the way. we have been bearish since November in here, screaming that the prices are way too overextended and that the cryptocurrency asset is too overvalued. And since then, the price has been doing nothing but dropping. And this is not to say that we were right and that everybody else was wrong, but this is simply to show that you dissociating yourself from crypto, from your portfolio, and looking at things from another perspective, in other words, being objective, is what will push you forward as an investor. And I mean, look, for a coin that went over 100,000% in a year, this correction is nothing compared to what may happen. And if you think that Elrond can drop lower, you have to remember that Ethereum has previously dropped 93% when it had more users than what Elrond currently has. Cardano also dropped 98% in 2018, and even Bitcoin, which is the safest bet, has dropped over 83% in 2018. So if you think that Elrond can drop 85 or 90 or even 95% if things go south from the all-time high and go below $100, then you are completely wrong. If you have been in here for a while or you are subscribed to my Patreon account, you know that I hold Elrond. It's the second largest position in my crypto portfolio after Bitcoin, and my average buy price is below $20, but I'm not delusional. I sold a large portion as we move to higher levels. The price is currently attractive, I'm not going to deny that, but the downward pressure is still dominant, and I believe that there is more pain to come. This is also another reason why keeping some cash in bearish phases is the smartest thing you can do. I'm sorry if you don't agree with me. I'm not here to make you happy. We are here to mainly make money. Now, you might ask me this question: can Elrond go up in the short term? Yes, it might go up. It's not like we will go down in a straight line, but look, these runs tend to mainly attract weak hands before dumping even harder. And as I said, if Elrond can't hold the current high volume node at 130 to 140 US dollars and start building some bullish momentum, then don't be shocked if you go below 100 US dollars. That was about it, guys, for Elrond today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check my Patreon account if you feel comfortable doing so, of course. Have a nice day and peace.